Welcome to the Litters Overview. We understand you may have another species, but for this tutorial we are using puppies. The Litters module helps you manage breeding records, track puppy development, and stay organized from breeding through rehoming. All your litter data is stored in one place for easy access. You can add a new litter or select a litter. Details section displays the details of the litter. The system allows you to choose a gestation period, and the system calculates an estimated due date based on the date bred. This allows the user to be able to quickly see the estimated go-home date at a glance. In the litter section, this case puppies. Each row shows microchip, sex, color, and website status. The website column controls how the status of the puppy appears on your public litter gallery. This status syncs with Match, so visitors see real-time availability. Notes section. Notes let you record important information about individual puppies. This is useful for tracking buyer inquiries, health observations, or temperament notes, or health challenges. Owners section. The Owners section tracks who owns each puppy and the terms of sale. Reg number shows the individual registration for each puppy. New name is the name the buyer gives the puppy after purchase. Owner ties this puppy to a contact. Rights indicates breeding or show rights granted. Cost records the sale price. Date sold tracks when ownership transferred. Rehomed shows the day placed with the new owner. AKC Reunite integration lets you enroll puppies in the recovery database directly from this screen. Now let's discuss the medical section. The medical section stores all health records for the litter. Each record includes the date administered, type description, and next due date. Types include vaccine, deworming, and medicine. Print generates a printable health record you can provide to buyers. You can include notes you have created for your puppy or medical notes that are in the table. The medical could be dosage amounts, lot number, or whatever. Weights comparison. Weights comparison lets you track and compare puppy growth over time. Select multiple puppies to see their weight trends on the same chart. This helps identify puppies that may be underweight or growing slower than litter mates. Weights can be logged in pounds and ounces or kilograms. The drop-down at the top lets you add new weight entries for a specific puppy. Scheduler. The scheduler is a very powerful tool to save you time by resuming your shot and worming schedule. Shows upcoming tasks for this litter organized by age and days. Each row displays the day task name, whether it updates medical records, type details, and status. Use the status drop-down to mark items complete or to do. This keeps your vaccination and deworming schedule on track. We need to create a new scheduler. Manage Schedules lets you create reusable templates for litter care. Save a schedule with all your standard tasks, then apply it to future litters. Each event includes a day number after date of birth. Calculate to show you when this task is due. When Update Med is checked, completing the task automatically creates a matching medical record. Media section. The media section stores photos, documents, and files for the litter. Use the folder drop-down to organize files by puppy or under litter. General. Each puppy has their own folder for individual photos. Supported files include images, PDFs, and common document formats. This is where you store contracts, health certificates, and photos for buyers. Public gallery integration. Puppy status and media sync with your Match Litter gallery. If you wish to send out emails to your buyers, you can set this up to send out a reminder each year on the litter's birthday. Or you can send out a one-time message to people on your contact list, wait list, or contact categories. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy breeding!